Hey guys, CFL-TECH back with another video from CFL-TECH. We're on the DirecTV Insider site with this streaming media news story, and as always, it will be linked down in the description if you want to check it out. Now, if you have a Vizio Smart TV, you may want to check this one out because you now have a new app available from DirecTV. So starting today, this was just announced today on September 22nd, that you are now able to get the DirecTV app on your Vizio Smart TV. So this is a good thing to see here. It took a little while for this to happen, but now you can just stay on your Vizio platform, not use an outside, attached device like a Roku or any other device. You can just get it right on your Vizio TV, and we'll link down below also the Vizio page to show you how to install apps if you're new to the platform. We don't have a Vizio TV active right now, so we are unable to show you the app, but we just wanted you to be aware of this if you are looking for DirecTV on your Vizio Smart TV. Now, Vizio is owned by Walmart, so with Walmart's power, they probably got this to happen. It's good to see that you have more options now if you prefer a particular platform to watch or use an app on, and now you can. Now they're saying here directly from DirecTV's message here, consumers want control over when, where, and how they watch, said Vikash Sharma, head of product at DirecTV. We're continuing to deliver more choice and flexibility by making DirecTV available on more devices. With DirecTV on Vizio Smart TVs, viewers can quickly and directly access live channels and on-demand favorites, all within a premium app experience. So there you have it. That's the message, and it is now available. So what are your thoughts on this? Do you have a Vizio TV and you are hoping to get the DirecTV app on the platform, and we're thinking, why can't I get this? Well, it's over now. You can get it. There were a lot of questions about this in the past. People asking, can I get the app on Vizio? No, you can't. But that is now finally being put to rest. Let's look at the Vizio support page here, how to add an app to your Vizio Smart TV. This will be linked down below if you need the instructions in case you're new to the platform, or maybe you haven't installed an app in a while. Sometimes you need a little refresher. So this will be linked down below to help you out. But what are your thoughts on this? Will you be using the DirecTV app on your Vizio Smart TV and not use it on another attached device? Let us know down below. Do you like DirecTV overall? Do you think it's one of the best streaming services available for the live TV? Of course, you get the genre packs on here too, so you get all of the plans available with this app on Vizio, so you're not shorted on that. So it's just the same. It's the same exact experience, but now you get it directly on the Vizio platform. So let us know your thoughts down below on this. If it's your first time here on the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you know when the next video drops in CFL-TECH. Also hit that thumbs up. It really helps out with the algorithm, and we love it too. Thank you. CFL-TECH checking out of this one. Soon to be back with another. Take care.